Hey, I'll be walking you through how to open a Geekpay account. And Geekpay is also a financial app that helps you manage different currencies like USDT, British pounds, Euro, and currency and your country currencies. And this will help you navigate different conversions from different currencies. And the purpose of opening a Geekpay is just for us to be able to manage our currency, and if possibly you want to be saving in foreign currency, you can by easy conversions and easy navigations. But for those of us that are authors and publishers, maybe in Africa or in Nigeria, basically, let's go. This is how to open it. There are two ways. If you are using your laptop, you can either go through your browser, go to your Chrome or any browser you are using, and type in Geekpay, geekpay.africa, geekpay.africa. Although this will require you to download the app and walk you through the app, but nevertheless, your iPhone or your Android phone will be an easy way to quickly open this account. And now if you are here to do that, click on get it on. If you're an Android user, click on get it on Google Play. If you're an iPhone user, click on download on App Store. Now let's go to, I'm an Android user. Let's go to Play Store. Go to your Play Store, click on, type in Geekpay. It's already showing, and yeah, we have, this is the symbol Geekpay. Since I have already installed Geekpay app into my phone, there's no need installing. I will just have open as one of the indicator that I've installed it. Then you can click on install. Then after installing, click on open. Now when you click on open, it will be, you're going to be required to supply your mobile number. Now this is a different country. This is the only country Geekpay supports presently is for African countries. Now here I'm from Nigeria. Then click Nigeria, put in your mobile number. Having put in your mobile number, you can click on next. Yeah, an OTP will be sent to your mobile number, which will grant you access to creating your account. Now go to your phone message and just copy the OTP down to this point. Then your email address will be asked. Enter your email address. Then having done that, submit. Then an OTP will be sent to also your email address. Then go down to your mail. You can either check your primary inbox or check your spam folder to get your OTP. Verify email address. Now you will receive a message like this that you should continue. This is a license agreement and all. Then click on continue. Then you'll be asked to fill in some details. The details should match. This is very, very important. The details entered should match with your details on your identity card, which means whichever identity card you are going to be using, be it your passport, international passport, or your driver's license or your national ID card. The details you are going to be filling here must correspond to the ones on your ID card. Now quickly fill in. You are going to be filling your first name and your middle name. That's optional. Then your last name, then your date of birth, your nationality. Maybe you are from Nigeria or you are from any country. Then your occupation. Now here in this occupation, you can choose any occupation, but for publishers you can equally choose other for publisher or for authors. Just click on others and type in publisher. Then the referral code is optional. Then you can click on next. Then quickly fill in those things. Next. And you'll be required to create a password. And there are some requirements for the creation of the password, which are listed below. a minimum of 10 characters, which means your password must contain like 10 characters minimum. Then one lowercase character, and means those characters there must be a letter or a character that is lowercase, and amidst those characters that you are using, there must be at least one that is an uppercase. Then amidst those characters, there must be one that have a special number, and amidst there must a special character, and amidst them there must be one that has a number. Then you can quickly generate your password using all this. If you are able to meet the requirement, you will have all these requirements tick green, then you can submit. Now, having done this, you will have an interface of Geegpay account showing that you have created a Geegpay account. This is the first stage to creation. Now, what is the second stage to creation? Second stage involve you verifying your identity when verifying your identity, doing your KYC verification. And if you look at Geegpay, these are different wallets that you may have accounts. You can apply for an account number with. You can either apply for an Euro account number, of which I'm going to show you how towards the end of this video. Just make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, British account number, you're going to get it. The US account number, you're going to get it. And this is what you're going to do. The next thing, you cannot apply for that until you verify your identity. The next thing for us is just for us to verify our account. That is what you are seeing in step 2, that completes your profile setup. Kindly follow the link below, and that is what you are going to be doing now. Here you are going to be having to click on verify account. Now, what would you like to do with Geegpay? This is the next question. What would you like to do with Geegpay? We need to know this for regulatory reasons, and here I will advise that you click every of these reasons, because it may be for future use. You may want to use it for another thing aside from publishing. Now, just click get salary, just click everything. That will be the best thing to do. Now you click, after that you click on confirm. Now the next thing will be on how to verify your identity. You are done with your personal profile, you are done with phone verification. Now the next two things that is required is just for you to process to submit your proof of address and identify yourself. That will be facial recognition. Let's go there. Now click on proof of address. On the proof of address, we have you to enter your street address, your state, your city, your postal code, and your proof of address will be submitted. Which proof of address is required? The proof of address that is required here is either you submit your bank statement or your utility bill. That is the proof of address that is needed here. Now let's go back, then fill in your street address as fast as possible. Now what you're to do next is to choose the ID document you would likely to verify with. Choose the ID document you will likely to verify, and this is we have international passport or NIN from Nigerian. You click on it, NIN, then next. Now the next phase is just for you to I'm a resident of or live in all countries except USA. If you are staying in United States of America, you can click on the next option. But if you are staying outside United States of America, what you just have to do is to click all countries except USA. Continue. The next thing to do is to verify your identity. Verify your identity. That is non-doc verification. Now all you just have to do here is to click and continue. For Nigeria, you can find your NIN on your ID card. Just put your NIN, type in your NIN into the space box, and you'll be required to do a selfie from here. And after you're done with the selfie, it will take you down to a spot. Yeah, having done with our KYC verification, you will have this particular platform interface. Then you will need to apply for your foreign account, whereby you will have access to USD account, GBP account, Euro account, and whichsoever country you are, their account. Presently, I'm in Nigeria and I will have to get Nigeria account. Now, how do we go about this? Go to the bottom menus where you have your home, your cards, your invoice, and your account. Click on your account, then you will have your USD. I've already created my USD account, but I will walk you through the process of creating other accounts so you have access to them. Now, for the interface or for USD accounts, you have the details to contain your account holder name, the bank name, the account number, and then the type, account type. Either it's going to be checking or savings. But now, at this board, we don't have any other accounts, but I can create the new account. Now let's create other accounts. You click on create new. Click on create new. Then you have account details for 3 bank accounts. Here, this interface contains like Nigeria accounts, whereby you can apply for Nigeria account number. Then we have Euro account also, whereby you can apply for Euro account number. And the last one is GBP, that's pounds account, whereby you can apply for the account number. Now let me start with Nigeria. Now you create account. You see, create account, and once you create the account, automatically it's already success. Your Nigeria bank account has been created. Then you go back, click on account. You see, you now have Nigeria account on the dashboard. Now you click on create again. Just for you, we have Euro account left. We can create a Euro account by clicking on the Euro account. Now here you have next. Then to help us quickly set up your Euro account, please answer the following question. Then you select then source of income, is it salary, wages, or family? You click on salary. Then some questions will be asked so that your account can be verified very fast. Your source of income has been provided. Then what is the primary use of the account? Now here you just have to click why are you opening the account. This could be to receive payment from online marketplace. And if you are a freelancer, if you are to receive payment from freelancing work, or maybe you work with you already have your Upwork or Fiverr, you can click that. But basically, since I'm an author and I publish book on Amazon, then and to receive payment from online marketplace, then you click on that. Then after clicking on that, you continue. Then this has already been set. Now this will be expected monthly inflow per month. You can click. If you are a beginner, you can just click at least, maybe let's say 500 euro per month as a beginner. Then what's next? We have name of primary sender. Name of primary sender, that would be Amazon KDP. You can click that. Then what is the payment for? You can write whichever reasons you have. You can put your reason, but basically you can just put okay. Good. Now, having completed the details, all you just have to do is to click on create an account. Then the account is going to be under review. Then you have to just go back and create another account. The last account you can create is a GPB account. Then you just click on GBP account, then click on next. the same information you supplied for Euro account will be supplied to for GBP account. Then salary you receive from Amazon, confirm, let's say £500 Amazon. Then whichever ways you want to structure the reason, then click on create account. Now these two will be under review, and it may take like 2 to 3 working days, or sometimes it may take like just 20 minutes. It depends on the type of information you supply. If the information supplied are accurate, it may just be within the space of 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes and your account will be given. But if there are discrepancies in the information you supply, it may take 1 or 2 working days. Having done with this, you have successfully created all your foreign accounts. Now you now have your GPB, your Euro, your Nigeria, and your USD. Thank you very much. Now, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and share and